Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you this warm look. So we're just going to dive right in the video. I hope you will enjoy. Now the first thing I'm going to say is that I will be playing with my own palette that I created together with Sigma Beauty. It's called the Unknown Pro Eyeshadow Palette. And I will be also using all the brushes that come in my own brush kit that I also created together with Sigma Beauty. The first thing I did was prime the eyelids and then apply some brow gel. And then I will go in with the first shade from my palette. And this is going to be the color Cottage, which is a matte white shade. I'm going to go in with the white shade and kind of like blend this underneath the highest point of my eyebrow. I am a huge fan of using matte shades for underneath the brows instead of shimmers, because shimmers kind of like emphasizes like the tiny hairs underneath the brows, and matte just kind of like keeps it looking clean. Then I will go in with this color and I'm actually gonna blend it all over the eyelids. This is kind of gonna be like the base shade of today's look. So kind of tapping it on the eyelid and also blending this back and forth into my crease area. Just kind of like applying more and more until I'm happy with how it looks. I just really wanted this shade to look on the eye how it looks in the palette. So just kind of like a warmish, orangey, brownish kind of shade, if that makes sense. So I blended until I was happy, and then I went in with this one right here, which is called, I believe, called Adorn, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm gonna kind of like tap it on the outer portion of the eyelid and then blend it more out. This is gonna be mainly like at the outer portion of the eyelid and into the crease. And I'm not really worried if it does kind of like come on my eyelid. That doesn't matter, because I will go in with some concealer to kind of like create a cut crease effect. So I'm not too focused like on how the eyelid is looking, but more so focused on the crease area. So after that, I went in with the concealer from MAC Cosmetics. It's the Pro Longwear Concealer. And I'm gonna use this concealer over the eyelids. I'm using a flat definer brush, which comes in my brush kit that I created together with Sigma Beauty. And I'm kind of like applying it, trying to like use the flat side so it kind of works as a super precise knife, if that makes sense, to really like create that line in my crease. And then I will go on top of that with the Cottage shade, which I used earlier, to kind of like lock everything in place. Because it is a creamy product, you want to make sure that you set it with powder so it's not gonna budge anymore. I used the Pro Longwear Concealer for years and years, and it never fails to disappoint me. Well, it never fails to, I don't know how you say it in English, but I'm sure you guys know what I mean. So applying a thick coat of that white shade, and then I will go in with this color Tiki Masala. And I'm gonna like press it at the outer part where kind of like the white blends into the brownish shade. I kind of want this to be in between to create a transition that goes from the colors that we used earlier and blend that into the white shades. Then I will go in with the Sigma Beauty Wicked Jaw Eyeliner, which is a matte black eyeliner. And I'm gonna use this to create a winged eyeliner. Now, I want to just quickly tell you guys that I'm so sorry I haven't uploaded in a very long time, and I've never not uploaded for so long. I will post, you can like put posts up on YouTube with text. So I will give you guys an update over there, but I will also make sure to put it in the description, the reason why I haven't uploaded for so long. So if you're interested in knowing, you can check that out. I will be uploading more videos now every week, so I am back officially. I know I've said that before, but now it's really official. There have been things going on in my personal life, which I will let you know in the description, just so check out if you wanna. But yeah, I'm back. So I hope you guys are happy. Let me know if you have any suggestions for content. What kind of looks do you want me to make? Are you guys even still like interested in eye looks? Let me know. I definitely want to do more personal videos as well, just kind of like, you know, these chit chat videos, but it is hard because I am home with my son all day and I find it hard to like film videos. But maybe if you guys have some tips or ideas, let me know. I would love to know. I know like there are a lot of other YouTubers who know how to like combine this, but I'm not gonna lie, I find it hard to like do this whole like modern life and also create content. But yeah, I'm now done with everything, so now it's time for mascara. First I always curl my lashes and then I went in mascara. You also saw me use like a warm tone for in the waterline, which is from NYX. It's actually really nice. And then I used a warm color for underneath the lower lash line, and now mascara. And then here you have the finished result. I didn't go in with false lashes because I felt like the mascara already made my lashes look quite good, but of course fake lashes will make this look even better. So if you do recreate and you do want to wear lashes, it's gonna be even more pretty. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you guys are happy that I'm back. I missed you, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.